Hey everybody, I'm Justin Schlegel with RHP Real Estate and Team Schlegel. Can you believe that we're already through another holiday season? Here we are, first full week, and we find ourselves in 2026. So let's talk about some real estate. First thing we're going to touch on is loan limits. So typically every single year these will adjust, and they have. So this is for Maricopa and Pinal counties. But for the conventional and VA product, before you go to a non-conforming or a jumbo, then you're $832,750. For FHA, the loan limit is now $557,750. Builder incentives. So new construction remains big across the valley, east, west, north, south, all over the place. And one example that we just had a client take advantage of was 50% reduction in the lot premium, 6% of the base price towards closing costs and buying down the interest rate, and $35,000 towards their options and upgrades, whether that be structural or in the design center. So that's a lot of money when you're factoring a roughly $600,000 purchase price. So there are some great incentives for new homes. So if you're thinking new, let's have that conversation before you walk into the builder. On the resale side, you need to make sure as a seller that you know what builders are offering around you if that's direct competition, because that's ultimately going to impact your saleability. Mortgage rates. Rates are better than they were 1 year ago today. So right now, conventional, we're about 6%. I mean, it might be just a touch over, but I mean, we're about 6%. That's 0.75% less than when we started 2025. And then on the FHA VA side, we're in the mid fives. So that is a great rate historically. And again, it's about 0.5% lower than we were a year ago. So mortgage rates means better affordability when they're lower. And here we are. Inventory. So inventory has not changed that much. We're only up about 4% year over year. So we did have a little bit of a wave throughout 2025, but right now we're in a good place in the market, and we've declined over the last couple months, which is normal for the seasonality. So we're going to see some more properties hit the market in this first quarter, but we should see more buyers enter the market as well. So we'll follow those trends through spring. And finally, the expectations. So we are nowhere near the 2021, so 5 years ago when the market was bananas. 2025, although a little bit better with our spring activity, so March through May closings, we were up a couple percent over 2024, but we're still down like 30% over 2021. So the expectations for this year would be, on the optimistic side, 5 to 7% increase in activity. So hopefully that's what we see, but we'll find out. So if you're looking to make a move, let's have a conversation. Let's talk about what you can do, what you need to do to get in position, and answer any of those questions. So no obligation, never accosted to have that professional conversation. Information is below. Thank you for watching. Hope you all have a great week, a great day today, and a great 2026. Let's talk soon.